Hi, making this video because I feel compelled to share my struggle with the hot water tank in my RV, or should I say the removal and reinstallation of a new tank. Now everything is pretty straightforward with the tank. This one is mine. That's the front with the burner, and underneath is the new reservoir. For those who might be watching this video, you've probably come into contact with this little guy. I actually managed to get one of these off intact, but in the reinstallation, the new ones are new and they're tight, and they're really hard to get on. Now the instruction says to sort of pound them on, going around this edge here, in hopes that it'll actually get over the edge of the burner pipe. That doesn't work. Here's what you have to do. You need to first use a file like this one, and you need to file the edge of the pipe, both of them. You need to file them well and get a nice round bevel on there. You see how smooth? You can see the finish has been altered. That's paramount. So to do that, you'll want to take the cover itself off. Even if you've started installing all this business, remove the whole burner assembly, electrical, take it off. Okay? Take it off and take your mill file, or bastard file as they call it. Sorry, I have to plug in. And file the edges. Then what I did was I took a drill with a round stone bit, and I also went around the edge to make it nice and smooth so that this ring can glide on over this edge smoothly. You see? Because I can tell you, it really won't want to. That's step one. Step two. Go to the hardware store. Make the trip. It'll save you time. Buy a PVC pipe coupler like this one. It won't fit your, or if you have something like this, even better. But it's soft and it won't damage the ring. Okay? Pipe, ring. You see? It doesn't fit perfectly, and it won't allow you to hammer down the whole thing at one shot. You will work your way around the edge, applying pressure like so. And then you're going to hit over here. You work your way around, around, around. You can break these things when reinstalling. I just broke one. So when you that's the role of filing and beveling the edge. Let me try to find that broken one. Sorry, I'm not in my own shop. I'm on a trip fixing my RV. Luckily, I have a shop to work with. Anyway, I'll find it shortly. They do break, so you can't get it on to the surface really crooked and expect it to straighten out. It'll just tear, literally. So you really want to get this thing on here like so. Let me put this phone somehow. Sorry, there's not more light. And with this tool, you're going to hit here and then here and then here, but you're going to be pushing the tool. You're going to be pushing the tool into the edge, into that inside edge of the ring. Right in here as you make your way around. Again, you're not pushing the whole thing down in one shot. you're going almost at a bit of an angle and working your way around. The longer that this thing is, the easier it is for the angled exhaust pipe of the burner, which is this one here, because it'll allow you to hit out here, not in here. So, maybe you can buy these things are cheap. So you can buy a coupler and a piece of pipe and a little, sorry, I gotta plug in again, and a little piece of PVC to go with it. I kid you not, it'll save you an hour more even. And as a result, you can see here, all that it did was mar up this edge a little bit. But PVC is really strong, and it's not like ABS. Maybe ABS would work as well, I don't know, but PVC is different in that it's in its fire retardancy, it softens very slowly, whereas PVC melts very quickly. That's it. I'll post more videos as my struggle continues. Good luck to you. Comments if you need. Bye.